as you come to the furthermore east of Alanya city center. At the seafront you have many hotels. You can choose to stay in any one of those, and we have karaoke bars and beach clubs. Beach is just on the other side of these buildings here you're looking at. They do have furthermore options as you go inside in between the streets. There are people here from all around the world. Some of them own their properties, some of them doing remote work, some of them are just tourists, as well as the tourists from within Turkey. The views of the mountains are just mesmerizing as you look. Follow our channel for more videos about this lovely holiday destination. We will go into detail about Alanya Castle.